and then somebody says, "Hey, Earth's flat." Hey, Earth's flat. They say, "Well, yeah, but I know hey, Earth's flat." Lots of people that have been to space.
But it's just flat, gorgeous to see.
And so the Earth is flat.
How do we know the Earth is not flat?
The Earth is flat.
The Earth is flat, and this is a fact.
Remember, the Earth is incredibly flat.
Nothing to do with the flat Earth. Okay.
We're talking about the water level, Jose.
Oh, I thought you were talking about hydrostatics. It has nothing to do with the water level.
Yeah, it is the water level, right?
You can't make a horizontal a mile long. It's not going to work.
You can make a water level a mile long.
Correct. I agree with that.
3 level points, and you
3 coplanar points.
Triangle between them, or a straight line.
Level is horizontal.
I agree, level's horizontal.
I did not say that the level is not horizontal.
Jesse Kozlowski is irrelevant.
Like DP, he says, level is a straight line on a horizontal plane.
He's a wise man.
Of your understanding of the world in which you live, then of course the world looks flat.
You're a universal horizontal waterer.
The world looks flat.
Bam! Water levels give you horizontal.
I'm using laws of math and physics to show Earth is flat. The world looks flat.
When we say flat, as just a common parlance way of not saying lots and lots of words, when we say Earth is flat or flat earther, we do mean that you think horizontal is level.
But I love flat earthers.
Do you have a brain injury? Because I did have a brain injury when I was younger. It was fixed though. I had a very, very small aneurysm before I joined the military.
Neil, you're totally blowing my mind right now.
It's flat. It's level.
That's what I do.
There are assholes that just talk bollocks all the time.
Horizontal is a plane. Level is the curved surface.
Flat is curved.
We don't have time for a meeting of the Flat Earth Society.
The axioms of Euclidean geometry stand true for a flat plane, for things that are in 2 dimensions. They do not stand true for anything that has 3 dimensions.
So out of touch with science.
Science doesn't prove anything.
You don't need to be a scientist to know that the Earth is round.
Science doesn't prove things. It's literally not what science does.
They must have been founding members of the Flat Earth Society. They would not have believed that the world was round.
The Earth is flat.
How can a straight line form a circle?
At what point does a horizontal start to bend?
The whole way, all the time, constantly.
If I say that the world is round and someone else says it's flat,
The Earth is flat, and this is a fact.
that's worth reporting.
I died once.
But you might also want to report on
The Earth is flat.
a bunch of scientific evidence that seems to support the notion that the world is round.
Honestly, science doesn't prove things. That's not what science does. Proof is literally a word that is used for mathematics. The only way you can prove something is with maths.
That's flat. That's flat. That's flat. That's flat. That's flat. It's flat.
About not believing our senses.
Stuck in the past.
Listen to me very carefully.
We've heard this kind of thinking
Yeah, I
before.
would rather cheese grate my nipples.
Let me tell you something.
Listen to my words very
If some of
carefully.
these folks were around when Columbus set sail,
Straight lines can curve.
Listen again.
Straight lines can curve. Parallel lines can intersect.
they must have been founding members of the Flat Earth Society.
The internal angles of a triangle equal more than 180.
I talk about YouTube characters and names. I don't talk about real life shit.
They
Put some stickers on there that say, I'm a fucking liar.
But the only place that proof exists is within us. Well, there we go then. In a mathematical sense, a straight line.
Right?
It can only be perfectly horizontal at a single point.
Oh yeah, it's measurable.
Here's a reasonable offer for you.
And the trouble is, we know he claims to teach us as children as well. So
Yeah, that's what bugs the crap out of me.
Teaching that level is horizontal.
Yeah, because that's wrong.
Like that water is level.
No, you teach your child that level is a horizontal plane, which is not true. And the implication of that is that you are teaching your child the earth is flat. The earth is flat. The earth is flat. The earth is flat.
Along with it.
I think that was some video I was watching.
Yeah,
No
in the
way.
chat. In the chat, I said,
Yeah, have you, Brad?
Yep, they're on the line. They're pretty safe where they're at.
No, the question was again. I'll state the question again. Make it as simple as I can. Do you think it is possible to have a vertical that is parallel to a horizontal?
Yes.